So chemicals are ubiquitous in the United States population, and the Centers for Disease Control has been tracking these exposures for over 2 decades now. And what they've documented is that the US population is universally exposed to over 200 chemicals, from routine exposures in our everyday lives to common day goods, products, and chemicals in building materials. What we've seen from the CDC's report on human exposures is that these chemicals may vary in exposure by basic factors like age, gender, race, ethnicity, and socioeconomic status. Sources of exposure can vary by chemical. So depending on the chemical, you may either breathe it in, take it in by mouth, absorb it through your skin, or there may be exposures from the mother to the developing baby in utero. We also want to consider, as environmental pediatricians, exposures that may occur through the family. So we always ask about the occupation of the adults in the household, because there may be, for example, take-home exposures, or there could be exposures in pregnancy that we might be concerned about. So to demonstrate that there are a variety of routes of exposures, take a chemical like phthalates. Phthalates are an endocrine disrupting chemical. That means that they can impact the hormonal system in the body. They're known to have a range of health effects, most important of which is impacts on the male reproductive system. They're found in a variety of products, everything from personal care products to certain plastic toys, to some of the foods that we eat, to building materials that are made of polyvinyl chloride or PVC. So you can imagine from those varied sources, you can breathe it in from dust that comes off of building materials. You can directly mouth it from plastic toys, as a young child might do. You could take it in by mouth, largely through processed foods that get contaminated through the manufacturing process. Or you could directly absorb it through the skin through use of personal care products that have phthalates in them.